Washing your clothes at the wrong time of day could be costing you more than you think. According to Ariel, the average Brit does 4 loads of laundry a week, which adds up to 208 washes a year and over 13,000 in a lifetime. This can lead to expensive energy bills if you're washing during peak times. Samsung has revealed that the most costly time to do laundry is between 4 p.m. and 7 p.m., reports The Express. They explained, time-of-use tariffs are usually dependent on demand. The more people using electricity, the higher the price. With this in mind, the most expensive times to use electricity tend to be from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. It's pricier to run your washing machine in the early evening, as this is when most people are finishing work and starting household chores. But you can avoid a big energy bill by doing your washing later at night or early in the morning, between 10 p.m. and 8 a.m. Samsung has explained, is electricity cheaper at night? Usually, yes. The cheapest times to use electricity tend to be from 10 p.m. to 8 a.m. With most people in bed during this time, energy is at its lowest demand. To cut down on costs, it's worth cleaning your washing machine every few months and also washing clothes at a lower temperature. Ariel encourages people to wash their clothes at a cooler temperature because it's much better for the environment. One of Ariel's representatives said, despite the huge amount of washing that people are doing, few consider the environmental impact of it. It's such a small thing every day which could go on to make a huge difference. Lowering the temperature of your wash can significantly reduce the environmental impact of your laundry. If everyone in the UK washed colder, we could save the same amount of CO2 as taking up to 500,000 cars off the road. Join the Daily Record WhatsApp community. Get the latest news sent straight to your messages by joining our WhatsApp community today. You'll receive daily updates on breaking news as well as the top headlines across Scotland. No one will be able to see who is signed up, and no one can send messages except the Daily Record team. All you have to do is click here. If you're on mobile, select Join Community and you're in. If you're on a desktop, simply scan the QR code above with your phone and click Join Community. We also treat our community members to special offers, promotions, and adverts from us and our partners. If you don't like our community, you can check out anytime you like. To leave our community, click on the name at the top of your screen and choose Exit Group. If you're curious, you can read our privacy notice. Join the Daily Record's WhatsApp community here and get the latest news sent straight to your messages.